Good afternoon, everybody. My name is John Bolton, and this is my first introduction for Management 497. Wanted to talk to you about just one interesting fact about me. I've been in the military for over 16 years. This lifestyle has brought many blessings my way. It has allowed me to go to multiple countries, work with and be around people from different walks of life. It's afforded me a lot of things that I normally wouldn't have had access to had I not taken the path that I've taken. So I consider myself a very blessed and lucky person. I've been in the IT career field since I was 17 years old. Learned the trade through went to trade school and then joined the military and joined the IT career field in the Air Force. Again, worked different positions within this career field. Started off with as a basic apprentice and worked my way up to a supervisor, a manager, and team leader in different capacities. And I've learned a lot of things along the way, not just about the career field itself, but about motivating, supervising, and leading others. I've been blessed with the opportunity to teach others things that I've learned throughout my time, and of course, the reward is paid back because I actually learn more from people than I think they learn from me. Also, I am 6 credits away from complete my degree. It's been an interesting journey, and I think that every class that I have taken thus far, I have found something that I can apply to my career and my daily life. So I consider college a path to enlightenment. So also, I love physical fitness. For me, going to the gym, working out, running, any type of sport that somebody can get into, it's not just for the physical aspects, but also for being able to have a way to get rid of stress throughout your workday and throughout within your life, and it keeps you living longer. So if you're gonna invest some time in something that'll give you more time in the future, since it is considered by many to be one of the most valuable assets that a person can have is time. I love working on my vehicles. Probably not that good at it, but you try, you fail, you learn some lessons, and you do better. A few blown engines, no big deal. You figure it out. And always learning more about life. I'd say that's my biggest adventure. My biggest hobby is just waking up, taking in the day as it is, and you learn so much in a day if you take in the growth mindset and live every day as you can. Thank you for viewing my introduction video, and I look forward to reading your responses and learning alongside you. Have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.